are going to learn not just what is the exact difference between the $397 Go High Level plan, $297 Go High Level plan, and the $497 Go High Level plan, but I'm going to exactly break down which plan should you get started with and why, and what is the process that you need to take, like at what stage you should move on to the next plan, and at this stage the next plan. So make sure you watch the video completely till the end, because it's very important, for the budget plan. Because if, let's say, somebody who's having unlimited budget, like already having $10,000-$20,000 coming in from some other place, of course you can just go for the highest plan because it contains everything. But otherwise there is a alternative way out. So bear with me, watch the video completely till the end. Now before I show you, let me just quickly tell you about myself. If you watch on my YouTube channel, I have been using Go High Level from early 2020. This is one of my posts I did on 2020 in the High Level group. But having said that, I've done interview of the main face of the Go High Level, the CEO and the co-founder, Sean Clark. He's the biggest owner, biggest shareholder of the Go High Level. It's a long interview on my YouTube channel. I have done interview of the second co-founder, Varun Varavan, all the strategies related with the Go High Level. I have won a Fillionaire Award with the Go High Level. I have done his interview with the spokesperson, Chase Buckner, with the Go High Level. Now, why I'm showing you this is just to let you know, because a lot of people, they sign up, but then later on they realize that they could have done much better. Why? Because if you sign up using somebody's link, you can get a lot of bonus, and it is going to quicken up your path from, your goal is actually to get your SaaS customer. Here you are at the sign up. Your goal is to get your first SaaS customer, and then probably, let's say, move on to the 100 SaaS customer. That should be your first level of goal, 100, and then probably 1,000, like the Diamond SaaSpreneur. So your journey from starting sign up till the first customer to 100 customer will get quick enough if you have some sort of assistance from the experienced people. So the only thing that we are asking, let's say in this case you sign up using our referral link. First of all, instead of getting 14 days free trial, you'll get 30 days free trial. But 30-day free trial, anyway, it's a benefit. That's fine. Of course, if you want to just go directly to the respective sign up page, just type in gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. But here, gohighlevel.com/snapshots. If you type in the browser, you'll be taken at this page, what all sign up bonuses that you are going to get. As you can see, number one bonus that you're going to get, this is our referral link, by the way, gohighlevel.com/snapshot, where you'll be able to see what all bonuses you're getting. One-to-one personal WhatsApp support. I'm going to create a WhatsApp group between you, me, and my expert. So it is like the personal time that we are spending. The expert is going to arrange for that Zoom call, private call, where all your questions and even the setup. You want to do the done for you setup, the expert is going to do it for you. So we are trying to quicken up your path towards that first SaaS customer. Then comes the 127 exclusive snapshot. If you'll actually try to find out, let's say you want to get the real estate snapshot, you get the snapshot is basically the template that has, let's say there's a real estate snapshot. It has all the website, funnel, workflows, everything done for you, and it is in the form of a link. You click the link, you can import it in your account. So some of the snapshot you'll find $1,000 plus value, just one snapshot. We have gathered this 127 snapshot. This will be all yours, done for you template, any niche that you can think of. Then even at a level, some people want more level of support. So we are just giving, apart from the personal time that we are giving, we are even giving this, some people, you want to develop your website and funnel, even that is included with our bonus. Now AI employee is very much into the respective thing, that AI employee, of course, our support guy will also, the support lady that we have will also help you with that setup. Now A2P DLC approval, this becomes pain for a lot of people, that hey, I want to get it approved. Our expert will help you on that as well. Guidance to all secret trainings and challenges, and the private community access. You can have this access, click here and join our community. But apart from that, you'll even get a private WhatsApp mastermind group access. And I'm planning to schedule weekly mastermind call, so that everybody comes and shares their idea, what they did, how did they get the clients and stuff. It is going to be super amazing, quicken up, moving along with others with similar goals. You are the average of 5 people that you hang around with. Having that mastermind will propel your success, will bring accountability. So all we are asking after that is what to do. Just sign up using our link. This is the link. This is the link you have to click. Sign up for the 30-day free trial. You just click here, and let me just show you how does the page look like. As you can see, Go High Level has created the exclusive page for me because I'm their premium affiliate. So sign up today, 30-day free trial, and then start. You just click external free trial, enter your name and address, and then step 2 would be just enter your card details. It's going to be super amazing and worth it. If you have already signed up, you can upgrade using this link, but I believe that right now you're not signed up. So you can definitely start 30-day free trial using this link, or you can upgrade using this link if you're if you're already a user. You want to watch more videos, you want to watch my interview with the Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder. It's all on this page, abdullahzai.com/snapshot. Go there and sign up, because this is going to be definitely something that you would not miss. The moment that you signed up, let's say you're paying the same amount of money, you've already signed up, then you cannot reverse the decision. So it's better to, if you've just started, let's say you've already just signed up, just quickly you did not make the right decision. Like initially you can reverse the decision, but after a certain point of time you cannot just cancel your account and move on to and try to get the bonus. So it's better to do it initially. Now let us just jump on to, I hope this was valuable enough for you. Let us just quickly jump on to the difference in the pricing. I'm going to make it very simple. $97 plan, you have all the features, almost all the features of GoHighLevel, and 3 sub accounts. Right? What is sub account? Like, let me just quickly show you on the app itself. This is your agency dashboard, the main dashboard as an agency owner, and the sub account is business 1, business 2, right? Each sub account runs one particular business. So here you can have 3 sub accounts. That means, let's say you have onboarded 3 clients, you can have 3 clients. I'm going to open one of the sub account. So within the sub account, there is nothing they have capped. Like within $97 plan itself, you have everything: AI agents, marketing, website automation, CRM, everything to run the sub. It's already there within the $297, but it is capped to 3 sub accounts. You can onboard 3 businesses. There's one more limitation here. You cannot brand this app. Like you will have to keep it as GoHighLevel logo and GoHighLevel. But with the next plan, now comes the next plan. This is the part, which is $297 plan. Then it becomes unlimited number of sub accounts. That means you can have 10 sub accounts, 100 sub account, 1,000 sub account, 10,000 sub account, doesn't matter. Keep on onboarding business after business. One sub account, let's say this one sub account is running my own, because you also like your own agency. And then sub account 2, you have onboarded one client. Sub account 3, onboarded another client. Both are paying $297, $300 per month. But now you want to onboard another sub account, the 4th or the 10th or the 100th. So with the $297 plan, it becomes unlimited. As well as you can put your logo onto it. Instead of high level, it becomes, let's say in my case, Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. It becomes Abdullah Zahid Enterprise and my logo. So nobody knows that this is my. The moment I'm onboarding the customer, they don't know this is high level. They believe this is my agency offering. Then comes the last plan, which is $497 plan, and the major difference in this is it allows us SaaS mode. With the $297 plan, every time, let's say you've onboarded a client, a local plumber or whatever plumbing you're trying to do the marketing, plumbing client. So you will have to manually create that. It doesn't take much time, hardly 5 to 10 minutes, 20 minutes, manually create their account. But it's all right. Like let's say you're having first client, second client, 10th client, 20th client, like 20 clients you're onboarding, 30 clients you're onboarding, it doesn't matter. You can easily like create it one by one, right? But amount of money that you're getting is good. But in this case, this becomes an automatic software. That means somebody signs up automatically, like even if you're relaxing at your home, the login details will be sent to the person, the sub account will be created as if you have become the software. But there is one more thing, which is the rebilling. Rebilling is basically every time an email is sent, every time this SMS is sent, every time this voice AI and all these things are done, the respective sub account, respective customer is charged, because email is charged, like minute charge, whatever, 1 cent or whatever for the respective AI employee, respective SMS. With the $297 plan, you will be charged the same amount, like it's same, like they will have to pay whatever the charge is. But with $497 plan, you can rebill it. Let's say you can just increase the markup to 2x, 3x. Then your client will be charged 3 times the amount of SMS. And sometimes like it doesn't matter to them, because of course like 100 SMS, 1000 SMS, or probably 1000 emails, 10,000 emails, and they believe this is the cost. Like there is a cost. So the difference becomes your profit. So that means, let's say the bill was supposed to be $100, but you as an agency, your price is $300 overall. So remaining $200 becomes additional profit. So when you stack up this feature with sub account after sub account, let's say you have 100 sub accounts, each sub account you're saving $200 a month, that becomes $20,000 a month with 100 sub accounts. So rebilling feature is also super amazing. The SaaS mode is also super amazing, and it's highest level. And this is the major difference, guys. I hope that I was able to explain it well. But having said that, one more thing that now let us just jump onto the part. How should you get started? Which plan should you get started? As I said, if let's say you've already got $10,000, $20,000 coming in, and the money is not the issue for you. Just go with the highest plan, and then focus on the big plans. Like, let's say you want to have 1,000 SaaS clients. That is what motivates you every day to learn the system. And of course, when you sign up, the one-to-one personal expert is going to teach you and do all that. Like, sign up using our referral link as I showed you. Definitely, it's going to be much better. And that's how you're motivated every day, that hey, this is what I'm going to, and I don't care, $490, $500 a month, it's fine. But let's say you're on a budget, you really are dabbling, like you want to first see the results and want to save money. Then start with $97 plan, because with $97 plan, what you're going to do is you're going to set up the respective things. Yes, you won't be able to get the logo and stuff, but here you're learning to get your first client. All you're like, till the time you're not getting your first client, you are just spending $97 a month, and that to 30 days of free trial first you get, right? 30 days you don't pay anything, then first charge of $97 per month. So let's say month 1, month 2, month 3, 3 months you're just paying $300 a month, like $300 maximum for 4 months. 1 month is free, 3 months you're paying $100 until the time you're finding the client. Now the moment you land the first client, now what you can do, because let's say the first client you're charging $300 a month, now you can actually get that client, like now you can upgrade to $297 per month, because now that client, I mean, ideally you can onboard first client, second client, 3 sub accounts you can create. But what I'm telling you is that the moment you land a first client, you can upgrade to this plan. Why? Because you want to keep it branded, branding is much better. Now you put your logo, you upgrade to $297 plan, and just go to billing and just do the upgrade thing. And let's say somebody who has already got the $97 plan, again, as I said, if you go to abdullahzahid.com/snapshot, you even have that upgrade link. And if you upgrade, you get all the bonuses which I just talked about. Everything, all the community access, private mastermind, and all that thing. You 127 snapshot, even when you upgrade to $297 or $497 per month. So now, once you're upgraded, you can put your logo, and you don't have to worry about now how many sub accounts. Then you focus on repeating the process and getting as many clients as possible with your branding. That's how, like, initially you are testing the model, you're making sure you land up the client. The moment you land up the first client, that is self-paying. Now the first client is paying your cost, almost your cost for the GoHighLevel. With the $297 plan, you plan on scaling. And let's say you've onboarded 5 customers, 10 customers. And I would personally see, the moment I would have, let's say 5 customers, that's when I would upgrade to $497 plan, because I want to utilize things at a full potential. Whatever we keep on doing, we get better at it. So I do not want to, just, even after having 5 clients and now I have the model tested, my cost is covered. I mean, now my goal is to reach 100 clients, 1,000 clients. So I would want to use the software at a full potential. That's when I will upgrade to $497, because I can easily afford it with my client's income itself. And that's when I'm even going to try the rebilling feature, probably 2x the price, because the moment I try it, I'll be used to it. I will try the auto sub account creation, because now I want to create it, make it as a software. People signing up without my intervention, the software is providing the fulfillment. So that is the much better way, guys, that you can do. So I just told you the way that people would be, oh, this is the best plan, you take this. But I understand a lot of people do not want to spend the money right away. So this would be your plan. Till the time you do not close your client, the first client, you can go with and stay with $97 per month. And the promotion that you're doing is by the websites that you have, and you're trying to sell the people, And as I said, guys, even the website development we are offering, like, you would not get any such bonus, you would not get anywhere, let me tell you. So the way we will be building your website as well, as you can see, this is one of the bonus. Super amazing. So I wish you guys all the best. I hope that you found the video helpful. Comment down below for any questions. I'll personally reply to each of you. Subscribe to my channel, sign up, and I'll be looking forward to hear from you. Like, you can email me. The email is written here, abdullah@abdullahzahid.com, or you can even privately WhatsApp me right after you sign up. I'll be arranging for your bonuses and everything, and private support. I really wish you all the best. Thank you. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with GoHighLevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the GoHighLevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my GoHighLevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our GoHighLevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people have seen they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best, and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to GoHighLevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his GoHighLevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through GoHighLevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
To further add to it, that you are even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible, easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the GoHighLevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AI BONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. And most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.